Are you aware that there exist 7 distinct stages of artificial intelligence? In a world where technology is increasingly vital, comprehending our position on the journey of AI can be invaluable. In this video, we will endeavor to elucidate each stage with an easily understandable explanation. Let's commence with the initial stage. Stage 1. Rule-based AI systems. Rule-based AI systems, also known as one-task systems, epitomize the earliest phase of artificial intelligence. These systems operate according to a predefined set of rules or algorithms provided by programmers. To illustrate, envision playing a game of chess against a computer. The computer comprehends all conceivable moves and outcomes based on its coded rules, enabling it to decide the optimal move. However, it lacks the ability to learn or adapt beyond these rules. Rule-based AI systems excel in tasks with explicit rules, such as diagnosing mechanical problems or processing tax forms. They exhibit reliability and consistency, yet their intelligence is distinctly confined. They are devoid of the capability to learn or comprehend context. Their decisions solely derive from the provided rules, rendering them incapable of handling scenarios not pre-programmed. Moving on to Stage 2, Context Awareness and Retention Systems, we encounter a noteworthy advancement in artificial intelligence. These AI systems possess the capacity to comprehend and retain context, allowing them to recollect prior interactions and employ that knowledge for subsequent responses. A notable example is your smartphone assistant, like Siri or Google Assistant. Not only do they process and execute commands, but they also learn from your past interactions. For instance, if you inquire about the winner of yesterday's soccer game and subsequently ask about their next match, the system comprehends that there refers to the soccer team from your prior question. This signifies a departure from rule-based AI systems, as these systems grasp context, retain information, and can handle a broader range of interactions. Another illustration is the renowned ChatGPT, a system trained on millions of past conversations. It can autonomously generate human-like responses in any conversation. This awareness of context and retention ability empowers these AI systems to deliver a more personalized and sophisticated user experience. They resemble teenagers in the stages of AI development, not entirely independent thinkers yet, but they've learned to remember and apply context in their interactions. Moving beyond context-aware AI, we reach domain-specific mastery systems in Stage 3. This stage embodies the AI's capability not only to comprehend and retain information, but also to become highly skilled in a particular domain or field. Domain-specific mastery AI can be found in various specialized applications. These systems are not generalists, but experts finely tuned to excel in a specific area. A prime example is IBM's Watson, designed to excel at answering questions on the quiz show Jeopardy! Another instance is Google's DeepMind AlphaGo, specifically trained to master the complex board game Go, achieving the feat of defeating world champions. These systems possess a deeper understanding of their specific domain than any human could hope to achieve. They can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions or predictions at lightning speed. Domain-specific mastery systems represent the adult stage in AI's growth, showcasing sophisticated abilities within their specialized fields. Despite their advanced nature, they remain far from realizing the dream of true artificial general intelligence. In the realm of Stage 4 thinking and reasoning AI systems, as we cross the threshold, we witness AI systems that commence mimicking the human capacity for thinking and reasoning. Diverging from the preceding stages, these AI systems don't merely adhere to rules or retain context. Instead, they strive to emulate the human thought process. Thinking and reasoning AI systems can comprehend intricate concepts, tackle unfamiliar problems, and even generate creative ideas. This capability is facilitated by techniques like machine learning and deep learning, enabling AI to learn from experience and enhance its performance over time. For example, such an AI system could peruse a book, comprehend the plot, and deduce character motives based on their actions. Alternatively, it could scrutinize economic data, predict market trends, and propose investment strategies. At this stage, AI begins to bear a closer resemblance to human intelligence, yet it remains more akin to a highly advanced tool specialized in reasoning and thinking tasks. As captivating as these AI systems are, we find ourselves only halfway through the journey. The subsequent stages beckon us into the domain of science fiction, with AI not only matching but even surpassing human intelligence. Stage 5 heralds the birth of a new mind, artificial general intelligence (AGI). As we venture into the realm of artificial general intelligence, we step into a world where AI, for now, remains largely theoretical. AGI, also known as strong AI, alludes to a form of artificial intelligence that equals human intelligence in every aspect. An AGI system would possess the capability to understand, learn, adapt, and apply knowledge across a diverse range of tasks. It wouldn't merely excel in one domain, as seen in the AI systems of Stage 3, or exhibit human-like reasoning, like Stage 4. AGI would effectively be capable of performing any intellectual task a human being can. If one were to request an AGI to acquire proficiency in a novel language, compose a symphony, deduce a complex mathematical theorem, or even grasp human emotions, it should, theoretically, possess the capability to accomplish these tasks. Such an AGI would exhibit self-awareness, consciousness, and the capacity to comprehend and navigate the world akin to a human. However, as of the present moment, AGI remains a conceptual idea and has not yet been actualized. It stands at the forefront of AI research, and controversies arise when contemplating what occurs when AI attains human intelligence. What unfolds in the subsequent stages? Let's explore. In the sixth stage, Artificial Superintelligence ASI, if the previous phases seemed formidable, brace yourself for the advent of ASI. This level of artificial intelligence introduces complexity to the point where defining the boundaries of what AI is and isn't becomes challenging. An ASI system would possess cognitive skills far surpassing those of humans. The concept of ASI envisions a world where AI can excel in most economically valuable tasks, not merely replicating human capabilities but outperforming them in terms of efficiency and speed. To fathom the intelligence level of an ASI system, imagine a human reduced to the size of an ant. In comparison, an ASI could potentially tackle problems beyond human capacity, offering solutions to intricate global issues such as climate change or diseases. It could innovate and create in ways currently unimaginable, shedding light on the mysteries of the universe that elude our current understanding. However, the rise of ASI brings with it an array of ethical and safety concerns. The potential for misuse is vast, and the risk of unintended consequences is equally substantial. This development raises fundamental questions about power, control, and the very essence of intelligence and consciousness. Contemplating the prospect of ASI propels us into the realm of the unknown, marking the final stage of our journey, Stage 7, the AI Singularity. The AI Singularity, often referred to as simply the Singularity, represents a hypothetical future point where technological advancement becomes uncontrollable and irreversible, resulting in unforeseeable transformations to human civilization. This is primarily associated with the advent of artificial superintelligence. The term singularity in this context gained popularity through the futurist Ray Kurzweil. It is derived from physics, where the singularity signifies a point, akin to the center of a black hole, where familiar rules appear to break down. In the realm of AI, the singularity denotes a juncture at which an ASI surpasses not only human intelligence but also possesses the ability to continuously enhance itself at a rate surpassing human capability. This self-improvement has the potential to trigger an explosive acceleration in technological advancement. The singularity is frequently linked with profound predictions, including the potential demise of humanity, the ability to transfer human consciousness into a computer, and the likelihood of significant societal upheaval. It is crucial to acknowledge that the concept of the singularity is speculative and contentious. While some experts view it as a plausible scenario, others perceive it as mere science fiction. The true nature of a future ASI remains beyond our current imagination. Regardless of one's stance on the possibility of the singularity, navigating through these 7 stages of AI aids in comprehending the remarkable potential of this technology and the associated challenges and ethical dilemmas it presents. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe our channel for more content. Thank you.